Welcome to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Today we're drawing a baby bumblebee and it's Valentine's.
It's Valentine's. So you went to school today, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And what song did you learn?
A baby bumblebee.
A baby bumblebee. Do you want to sing it for everybody at Hey Kids, Let's Draw?
Yep.
Go ahead.
I'm bringing, wait.
Yeah, it's okay. Start again. Sing real loud.
I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. I want my mommy to be so proud of me. I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Want my mommy be so proud of me. Ouch! That stinged me. I'm squishing up my baby bumblebee. Want my mommy be so proud of me. It's all yucky. I'm liking my baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm wrapping up my baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me?
Good job. That was so cute. You're a good singer. Thanks for your teacher to teach you good songs. And happy Valentine's Day. We're going to do a baby bumblebee made of what? What shape?
Hearts.
Here we go. On Hey Kids.
Let's draw.
Okay, everybody. Welcome to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Get your black markers. We're going to draw a Valentine bumblebee. All right. This is going to be fun and easy. So we're going to start with a heart. So watch me. We're going to draw a heart for the face right here in the middle. And to start with a heart, let's do a dot and a dot. Now what's going to happen there is we're going to connect one side of the heart and the second side of the heart. So here we go. I'll start. You do a dot. Oh, goodness, good job. Here we go. Draw a big heart down to the point. Draw the other side down to the point. That looks like a heart. Good job.
Now I know how to draw a heart.
Yeah, you're a good heart drawer. Okay, so there's the face. Let's draw a couple of eyes in here. Let's do a big circle. Good job. And then over here we'll do another one. Another circle, kind of the same size. And we'll do another circle inside.
Mine is smaller. Mine is small.
And even another circle inside. So it looks like we have 1, 2, 3 circles. We're going to leave the highlight white and draw black around this one. So color in the middle circle of the eye. Maybe we'll do 3 eyelashes. 1, 2, 3.
I didn't color the whole end because I'm doing some eyelashes.
Okay, we'll wait. Oh, good job. That looks great.
I want mine to be a girl.
Okay, it can be a girl. So now we have the 2 eyes. We're going to draw a smiley face.
I didn't do some eyelashes.
We'll do kind of a little chubby smile. Here we go. We'll do a kind of a U shape. And another U shape, and then we're going to connect the smile between them. So ready? Here we go. Down and up.
I want mine to be
Okay, there's our face.
I want mine to be sad.
Okay, you have a sad face and I have a happy face. And that's okay. We can do whatever we want because we're artists, huh? So now for the body, we're going to do another kind of heart shape behind. So watch me. I'm going to start right here. And I'm going to go down and up. It's kind of good job. And we'll do another one. Down to a point. And up to connect there. Good job. And we're gonna do a smaller one right here. Kind of down. And this will be the last part of the body, and we'll connect it to the body. Okay, Looking good. Good looking bumblebee so far. Do bumblebees have things on their head?
Yep.
What are those called?
Antennas.
Antennas. How'd you know that? You're so smart. So here we go. We'll draw a big curly Q antenna. Can you make a curly Q like this? Whoa, whoa. Here, we'll do one over here. Start on the head. Go up.
Go up.
Good job. That looks fun. Okay, on the end of the antennas, what should we do for Valentine's Day?
A heart.
A heart. Okay. So here we go. I'm gonna do 1 and 2.
I want mine to have a banana on the top.
Okay. A banana for Valentine's Day. Let's do another heart over here. Let's do 1.
I'm doing a fluffy thing on there.
What do bumblebees have that make them fly?
Some wings.
Some wings. Should we do heart wings?
Yep.
Okay. So we're gonna start at the head and we're gonna do a big heart-shaped wing back here, okay?
I want to do like this.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
I want to go like this. I want it
2.
like this.
And we'll bring this down to the body. Here we go. There's one wing. Let's do another. We'll do 1, 2,
I
and
did
down.
2 wings.
Whoa, yours is flying all around. I love it. Looks so happy for Valentine's Day. Here we go. 1.
But it's sad for Valentine's.
Oh, it's having a sad Valentine's.
Because it's too scared.
Oh no, that's so sad. Because Valentine's is happy. So there's 2 wings shaped like hearts. Should we color this thing?
Yep.
Okay. Everyone say, Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
First, fast forward.
Fast forward.
Here we go, coloring.